Join me as I challenge myself to use quantum physics to manifest my biggest dreams for 2024 and see if it actually works. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic, using quantum physics to manifest our dreams in 2024. It may sound a bit out there, but trust me, it's not as far-fetched as you might think. In fact, the principles of quantum physics can be a powerful tool in helping us achieve our goals and desires. And that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. When it comes to manifesting our dreams, many of us face similar challenges. One of the biggest obstacles is our own limiting beliefs. We often unconsciously hold ourselves back from achieving our goals because we think we're not good enough or that we don't deserve it. Another common issue is a lack of understanding of how the universe works. We're often stuck in a linear way of thinking, believing that our actions directly lead to specific outcomes. But what if I told you that there's a different way of looking at things? Another challenge many people face is a lack of clarity around their desires. We often have vague ideas of what we want to achieve, but we don't take the time to really define what that looks like. And even when we do, we often get caught up in the how. How are we going to make it happen? Instead of focusing on the what do we really want to achieve? For many of us, manifestation can feel like a mystery. We're not sure what we're doing wrong or how to actually make it work. We might try different techniques like visualization or affirmations, but we're not really sure why they're supposed to work. And when we don't see results, we get discouraged and give up. But what if I told you that there's a way to understand the underlying principles of manifestation? That there's a way to tap into the power of the universe and actually make your dreams a reality? One of the key principles of quantum physics is the observer effect. Essentially, this means that by observing something, we're actually changing its behavior. This has been proven in countless scientific experiments, and it has huge implications for our personal manifestation practices. When we focus our attention on something, we're actually influencing its outcome. This is a powerful tool that we can use to our advantage. Another concept that's really useful for manifestation is superposition. This is the idea that multiple states can exist at the same time. In terms of manifestation, this means that we can hold multiple possibilities in our minds at once. Instead of seeing things as either or, we can see them as both and. This allows us to tap into the infinite possibilities of the universe and to open ourselves up to new experiences and opportunities. When we apply these principles to our personal manifestation practices, we start to see some really cool things happen. We start to see that our thoughts and intentions are actually shaping our reality. We start to see that we have the power to create the life we want, simply by focusing our attention on it. For me, the biggest breakthrough moment came when I realized that I didn't have to know how to make something happen. I didn't have to have all the answers or know every step of the way. All I had to do was focus on what I wanted and trust that the universe would bring it to me. This was a huge shift in my thinking, and it's made all the difference in my ability to manifest my desires. The power of quantum physics lies in its ability to help us tap into the infinite possibilities of the universe. It helps us to see that our thoughts and intentions are the driving force behind our reality. And when we use these principles in our manifestation practices, we start to see some really amazing things happen. So, to summarize, today we've explored the concept of using quantum physics to manifest our dreams. We've talked about the challenges that people often face when trying to manifest, and we've looked at some key quantum principles that can help us overcome those challenges. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your experiences with manifestation in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about how to apply quantum principles to your life, be sure to check out my next video on the topic.